Have you ever looked back at a person, a relationship, or an opportunity and thought, I knew it. My gut was right. The truth is, our intuition is always talking to us. The thing is, somewhere along the way, we were taught to ignore it, to give people another chance, to look past the red flags, to keep hoping things will change. That's exactly why I created the Alignment Filter Guide. Inside are 5 simple questions that help us slow down before we invest more of our time, our energy, our trust, our heart. These questions aren't just for relationships. They're for friendships, business partnerships, career opportunities, and every decision that has the power to shape our future. Why? Because everything doesn't deserve access to us. When we learn to trust our gut, raise our standards, and choose alignment over attachment, everything begins to change. If you're ready to protect your peace, trust yourself more deeply, and make decisions with confidence, download my free Alignment Filter Guide. The link is in the bio. So raw, amazing friends, let's shift our mindset, elevate our energy, trust the process, and then we rise. Have a raw, amazing day.